Yeah, like pirate music.
Yep, let's
Go for board here.
go for it. I don't know what they're doing exactly. They're not really going.
They're going upwind now.
They're running. Oh, fucking bastards.
Keep heads up on the ladders.
Any chance?
Yeah. I got
No
ladder,
line.
but he doesn't hear.
Yep, he's on there. Shot him once.
Killed one.
Oh!
Anchor's dropping.
Sick. Okay,
Got him once,
excellent. We'll be in range here pretty quickly. We're going upwind, so it's going to take a moment, but make sure both of you are on port side cannons
Knocked
to
one off. Both are dead.
support. Let's get that mast down as well. Let's not make the same mistake we did last time.
Hold fire, guys. Hold fire.
I hit the mast.
I hit the mast. Mast is down.
You got it? Okay, sick. Okay.
I'm in the water. He knocked me off.
Good. Got one on their deck.
I mean, I'm going for the one ball.
Cool. Good.
They're filling up. Sunk.
Full fire. Raise front sail.
Dead.
Raising
We're probably gonna have
front
one back spawn.